In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the scenery in Clash of Clans, as well as how to unlock and purchase new sceneries. So if you're looking to give your village a fresh new look, you're in the right place. First things first, let's dive right into the process. Start by opening your Clash of Clans app. This step might seem obvious, but make sure your app is up to date, as updates often bring new features and sceneries. Once the app is open, you'll want to ensure that you're logged in with your Supercell ID. So tap on the option that says Log in with Supercell ID. If you don't have a Supercell ID, it's a good idea to create one. It not only secures your account, but also allows you to easily retrieve it if you change devices in the future. After logging in, select your account. This will ensure you're accessing the right village with the correct progress. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Clash of Clans home screen. Here the magic happens. Direct your attention to the town hall, which is the heart of your village. Give it a click. This action will open up the Town Hall menu with different options for customization. You're on the right path to making your village uniquely yours. In the menu, look for an option labeled Change Scenery. Tap on it. This will bring up a selection of available sceneries that you can apply to your village. These sceneries range from festive themes to unique landscapes that add a personal touch to your town hall. Now it's time to swipe through the choices. Take your time to preview each one. It's like window shopping for your village's new wardrobe. Once you've found a scenery that catches your eye, you simply tap Select. This action will apply the new scenery to your village, giving it a whole new vibe. And just like that, you've successfully changed the scenery of your Clash of Clans village. But wait, if you're wondering how to get more sceneries, you'll typically find new ones available for unlock or purchase during special events or in the shop section of the app. Keep an eye out for these limited time offers to expand your collection. That's all there is to it. It's a straightforward way to keep your village looking as dynamic and exciting as your gameplay. Enjoy your new scenery and explore the new atmosphere. Thank you for tuning in and happy clashing!